So this is the image, this is the bounding rectangle, and here is the number of fruits. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And I will show for another image. Yeah. In this, these two oranges are left very behind, so it is only partially visible. Other than that, all the oranges are displayed. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you had some questions last time, right? So we will go through them one by one and record this session or write it down for future reference. So what is the first question?
Screen size should be maximized.
One second. I hope I can. You have shared the questions with me. You have shared it, right? So okay, screen size should be maximized. That we have done. In this image, I have reduced a little more down because the original image is very large. I can show you. Uh, Suppose. Okay, so the original image will be displaying will be such a very large. So since the screen size is small, I cannot display the entire image and the text together. So I have reduced the size a little bit, and now it will be, yeah. Is it fine?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the next question, efficiency should be more than 90%. Okay. So the regarding it, the current or all the object detection frameworks that is available in market today, right? So it's only up to 65% accuracy. It's not our issue. I even have the I show you that in the repository. Repositories official documentations of the all the object detection frameworks. So in officially most of these frameworks support only up to 65% or 70%. Is it fine? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I can, if you want to see an article, I can share the article with you. Why? Here you can see this website is the official object detection repository. Here you can see they have the official object detection 5% or 64 depending on the mid size. 08 we will get 65 and this figures we will get up to 60. That is officially marked. So against that we can with our data set we can achieve up to 65 or 67% accuracy. Okay.
Yes, sir. Our sir told like if existing system is showing 65%, then our project should be at least 67, 68 like that. So our project should be better than existing system.
Actually, these are all like state of art, best of the object detection. We cannot overrun. This is about the architecture. You have already studied about YOLO architecture, right? I have already given you the links of YOLO architecture, right?
Yes, sir.
So the officially according to the maximum 65 or 67. If you want to do a architecture from scratch, that is from like that is like a corporate level company work, which take people. We cannot create our own architecture because that is entirely different. It's a corporate level phenomenon. Because the YOLO architecture officially supports up to this much. If you want, if you want, I can try to make up to more than 70, 72, etc. Than that, it is actually impossible with this architecture.
Yes, sir. He told us like if 10 oranges are there, at least 7 we should count. Like
that of course is counting the architecture. So you okay? So currently I have only for orange and this one. Sorry. The one image I have already shown. Yeah. Now there are out of 8 getting detected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8, 6 is getting detected.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
For like okay. So now the next question will be, what if there is a fixed fruit like orange, apple, banana? Will it detect it? I didn't understand that question.
Sir,
So that means
in one image, multiple like orange, banana, and apple is there. Whether it will count or not?
Yeah,
in
it will
single
be. Yeah,
image.
it will be counted. I will. I don't have images for that now. I will test it and it will be counted. You can test it in your laptop also. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
if there are many fruits like jackfruit, banana, will it only detect banana or both? So the answer is it will detect only banana, and we can actually detect jackfruit. But the issue is we have to create our own data set for that. Okay. In internet, it is not like a jackfruit data set is not available. So this data set means it should have about 1 lakh images of jackfruit only. So if you have a jackfruit data set, then we can also detect jackfruit.
no, sir.
Yeah.
No, sir was like in which basis you are going to count? I mean, detect the fruits. If it is
Yeah.
based on the color, then yellow fruit are same color. No, so it might detect banana as also. I mean, jackfruit
It
as
doesn't
also
matter.
banana.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Regarding this, I will explain. I have understood your lecture has not enough knowledge on neural network. So I will explain briefly. You have to note it down because it's a very complex thing. Okay. So neural networks doesn't work like patterns, colors or shape. Okay. Neural network detects by finding complex patterns, and these complex patterns it will not be recognizable by humans. That is like if I ask you, how do you like if I am asking you how do you recognize orange by your human eyes, what you will be saying? There is thing orange will be having orange color and it will be in round shape. So if I show you an orange ball and an orange fruit, will you falsely classify orange ball as fruit? No, right?
No, sir.
You understood my the situation I'm telling?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So that is the human brain is having the ability to detect complex pattern. Okay, such that even if the two objects are similar, we can easily distinguish. Okay, but we cannot tell how we are doing it. We cannot tell two shapes are in orange color. We both are round. We cannot describe how we are detecting it. Sorry, how we are able to recognize it. It all happens in our brain. The same thing happens with neural networks. The neural networks is like a black box. Black box means we can give the input and we will get the output, but we will not be able to describe what is happening inside the neural network. That is official. I'm not telling by me. Actually, in industry itself, it's like that. So in neural network, it can detect complex patterns, but it is not. We cannot understand how it is detecting it. So what I'm telling is,
Yes, sir.
so what I'm telling is, it's not based on color. It's not based on shape. It's based on pattern, complex patterns, which only neural network can recognize.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have to explain this thing, and this is actually most brief idea about how it detects this. If I have to go, I have to go complex. If I need to show, let me tell you. Um, neural network. Okay. Uh, have you like? Wait. Okay. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is the pattern in which the neural network detects the bird. Okay. So this is the pattern. We can like as you can see, it is something complex which we cannot understand. So that is what I was telling till now. The we cannot understand how the neural network detects this one, but it is detecting it. That's a black box system. Is everything fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will give you some additional information. So, for because of this reason, the industry is not using neural networks much. Okay, you don't need to explain it to lecture. I'm just telling for your knowledge. The reason is means if neural network is a black box system, it is difficult to maintain. It is difficult to maintain for future purpose. Suppose now we are detecting 5 fruits. What if I want 50 fruits? I have to do everything from zero again. We can like whatever I have done till now, it's a waste of time. I have to start from zero again. So there are such many issues because it is easily the neural networks is not really easily understandable. For this reason, even the industry is not using neural networks much. Is everything fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the next question. Mm, okay. If banana and jackfruit image is given, since jackfruit is yellow in color, will jackfruit be detected as banana? No. It will not be detected because as I'm telling, it's not only based on color, it's based on complex patterns like this, which we cannot understand. Okay, so in the pic there are three apples with an half apple. Will it detect half apples also? For answer is currently no. The reason is we don't have enough data set of half apples. If you have data set of half apples also, then it will be detected. Fine.
Sir,
Yes,
can we
sir.
get that data set?
Actually, one data set means it's okay. You need the data set I have used for this one, right?
What, sir?
Do you need the data set I have used in this project?
Yes, sir. But our sir told like to count that half apple also. Try to count that also, because last year seniors were counted that traffic vehicles. In that half of vehicle, if it is there, then that was also detecting. So sir told us to count that also.
Regarding that vehicles, for vehicles we can get a very large data set very easily, even if you search in Google. Yeah. So this is a vehicle data set. So yeah, this is one data set. So in similar way, we can easily get the vehicle data set. But fruit data set, I have found only one that is useful for our project. Okay. Anyway, since you have asked, I will try that also. And mm, uh, let me check if in internet if there is anything that is available for half fruits. Okay. It is possible, but like currently we cannot do like I cannot we cannot go and take 1 lakh pictures of the half apples, right? So mm, let me think what we can do.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Now camera image detection. Where is the code for detection if it is based on color? Okay, as I told, it's not based on color. It's based on complex pattern, and this is the detection part. Don't sorry, not this part. Wait. Uh, yeah, this is the oh, sorry. Yeah, yeah. This is the detection part. In the detection part, first we are configuring neural network, then converting the image, then giving the input into the neural network, then generating the output, removing lower small fake, and we are recalculating the XY coordinates for drawing it in the image. Then we calculate we are drawing it. So that is the actual. There is nothing like we are detecting using color. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how to detect the kind of fruit if different varieties of fruits are present in the same biscuit? Kind of fruit. As I have told, like in this image also, we will be able to detect if there is apples, the apples will be detected. If there is banana, banana will be detected, etc. So if there is multiple images, fruits, it will be detected. I will verify that once more. Okay. And if we
Yes, sir.
place jackfruit and banana, how will it differentiate? The differentiation is entirely complex patterns by neural networks. Will half quarter small pieces of fruit considered undetected? Um, Small pieces. The answer is no. Okay, because for that we have to maintain such a very long data set. In any neural network program, the problem is will be in the data set itself. If we can generate the data set, then trust all the thing is just 10%. The 90% difficulty is in creating the data set. So in our current data set, there is nothing like half apples or quadruples or like that. I can show you the data set. Data set. Yeah, in this image, this is the part that where we are. So here there is orange in that side, and above there is apple, etc. This is orange and above apple. So the data set will look like. Okay. So since you have asked for like that, I will try to change the data set, and I think how can we make it more accurate, like you like to have asked, but for tomorrow, right? Because you have made a very good accuracy.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. You can tell directly you have taken concern of about the half truths or whatever he's telling, but you are facing issue in finding a data set online. Because one data set means it should contain about 10,000 or more than that images. So we cannot in this situation we cannot go and collect all the data sets from all places. Getting for one fruit is, or cutting the apples into half and taking 10,000 images is like not a possible task. So you are already in finding the data set online. So you are thinking what is like you are trying to find a solution. Yeah, you can tell it like that, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay. So I have created the webcam program also, but the issue is I don't have any like. I had checked it if it is working. I will give you this script also system and tell me today itself if you are having any issues. I don't have any Apple or something to show you in the demo now. I should have something like. Anyway, I will run it. Yeah, and for one thing, for webcam it will take some time. Yeah, this detecting, but I cannot show you some demo. If you have something, you can check it and tell me. Okay. You have confusion?
Yes, sir. In that, how to detect that?
Just like in the image, where if you pick some apple or something, it will be labeled as apple.
No, sir. In camera.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling. If you if there is a object in the image, it's just like image. If you have an object, it will be labeled. But we have one more issue. Okay, the normal webcam quality is very low. Okay, so object detection is not much possible in such webcam, because the quality will be less than 2 MB or 1 MB for laptops. So even if we run, we will be getting very low quality image. For such images, detection will be poor.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good picture in order to detect the object, but in our case, the hardware is very limited in laptop. But if you are giving an input video, then it will be detected. I can like that. So is everything fine?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Yeah, just like last time, you can post it in the group and I will help you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, I will share you the script also in the group. The only difference is you need to download a new weight file. Okay, so the last time the weight file it was having less accuracy, but this time the weight file is having good accuracy. So you have to download the new weight file. Rest everything will be like. And last time you guys were having confusion in configuring the path. This time I have put it all the paths in one place. So you just need to modify this part to modify. Last time, since the path was in different places, you guys were having confusion.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
George, are you mute? Yeah, so let's wind up.
No, sir.
Okay, well, I have an idea. Let me check if I can show you the video demonstration. And yeah, you can see, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So this idea I got now. So previously I was having no option to detect it. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, George. Thank you, everyone. Bye.